Excel plus AI Power Sprint. It's a 2-hour masterclass, right? So everybody has a different expectation, I would say, before joining this masterclass, and especially considering the matter of fact that this is a Saturday evening, I would would give a big round of applause for you guys for joining, for putting in time for yourself to actually develop during a weekend night. That's really good to hear. So let's, without any further ado, let's get started. The schedule for this masterclass is pretty simple. The first and foremost thing which we'll be talking is Excel really that powerful? When I was teaching majority of the students or working professionals, they were like, Excel, it's a very small tool. It's been there. I know how to use Excel. But many people underrate the fact that Excel is actually so overpowered. There are so many functions, even to till date, Microsoft has been updating it over and over and over. It's very, very hard to even cope up with it. There are so many features, so many use cases. So we will be discussing whether Excel is it really that powerful. And the second thing we'll be talking about is how to use AI effectively. This I am pretty sure, I am 99.9% sure, out of 77 people present in this meeting, including me, use ChatGPT on a day-to-day basis. You cannot lie. If you're not using it, you are missing out a lot. Right? 77, 78 people of all this call, everyone uses ChatGPT and various other tools, including Gemini, including, I don't know, Black Box, Gen AI, and many more. Everybody uses it. But the question is not whether you're using it or not. The question is more about how are you using it effectively. That is the question. And that's what we'll be discussing. And the next part, we will be discussing what happens when you combine these two superpowers, Excel and AI. What magic you can do. Those are all the things we'll be discussing in today's masterclass. Last but not least, I will be giving you some tips, tricks. As a matter of fact, I'm going to give you my golden nugget for prompt engineering. I teach that for almost like thousands of dollars outside in the market. I'm going to give that to you in this webinar today. The golden nugget of prompt engineering. That's what I like to call it. Okay, so are you ready? That's the question. If you're ready, drop a thumbs up. I would like to see your excitement, engagement in this session. I really, oh wow, that's really good. That's pretty good. Wow, I like the excitement, guys. I'm hoping you keep the same excitement by the end of the session too. It's pretty good. Let's get started. So the first thing for today is, do you know how long has Excel been in the market? Don't Google, don't ChatGPT, give it a rough guess. Do you know how long has Excel has been in the market? Let me open the chat box here really quick. Yes, guys, you can type your answers in the chat. No, okay. Rathod says no. Okay. Anybody else? 20 plus years. Okay. Palsurya says 20 plus years. Anybody else? Any other answers? Okay. All right. Okay, I think 30 plus years. Vishalni 25 plus years. Okay, those are pretty good numbers. I like the numbers. Pretty close. But the right answer is 40 years. Yes, Sadia, you're right. 40 years. Since 1985, Excel has been ruling the market. Okay, 1985, and I'll give you a quick fact here. Excel actually started because the sole reason for Excel to be created was for Apple Macintosh, Apple Mac. That was the reason Excel was created. And then slowly, as early 1990s, it shifted to Windows, and then Yuno, rest is history. It's been dominating the world of data since 1985. And during that time, there was a software called Lotus 123. I'm not sure if you're aware of, because you're not born during that time. I think there might be few people. But at that time, there was a software called Lotus 123, which gave a pretty tough competition, which sadly failed. And Excel has been predominant ever since, no matter how many tools come.